What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? This is Ryder in Red. Ah, shit. I'm gonna be answering a question today. Well, it seems like I'm not gonna be able to answer any questions today. You know what? I'm not having any of this. Taking that corner like a boss, baby. Ah, shit, that was a copper. Ain't nobody slowing down, man.
6.5 hours later.
Now that I'm miles and miles away from that cop car, I'm gonna do the introduction now. I am gonna talk about why I live in Armenia and whether I like it or not. But before that, I'm already here at my spot meeting my homeboy. So I'll just chill here and continue the video later, because why not? Freaking manholes. Alright, well, this was a nice chilling with my friend, and now let's take off again and continue talking. Get this baby rolling, man. Alright, here we are. Finally getting started with this video, man. The coppers and the wedding threw me off miles away. But yeah, I'm chilling the downtown a little, drive around and talk about why I live here and how is it to live here. No, I'm not doing that shit. Good thing I noticed it too early. Had time to yeet out of there. So how long have I been living here? A couple of years now, non-stop. Originally, I grew up partly here, partly US, partly everywhere else. You know what? Now I'm living here, full time, all the time. You know, I've been noticing today they're all like cutting these trees and shit. What is up with this? Why do they do that? Is it like a special explanation for this, or, you know, what's up? So I don't even know where to start on this topic, except that, again, like I said, I've been living here for the last 4 or 5 years, I think. I have my business here, I have my life here for the most part, even though I don't live the most Armenian life in Armenia, really. I got my little American corner made myself. But I'm not very sheltered in those terms, because I speak the very local Armenian. And so I understand very local Armenian jabs and like making fun of you and stuff that you hear a lot of people do. Just gotta be careful there. So like, what does that mean, right? What does that mean? It means that if you come here as a foreigner, you're not even gonna like understand when people are making fun of you and stuff. And you're gonna think, wow, this is a cool place. That's because you don't speak the local language and the local culture / making fun and how it's all done and what's intended behind the words and shit. A lot of words. But hey, you know, it's got its give and take. One of the biggest reasons why I'm still here, apart from having motorcycles here and real estate and all that, is probably the fact that life is rather cheap here. I'm talking really cheap, right? You know, you wanna go out, drink some coffee, filling the gas and all that. Well, that's cheap. Like, really cheap. Compared to a lot of European cities, life here is way cheaper, gas is cheaper, and... oh yeah, it's not my grain. It's not my grain? Oh yeah, look at that. The top ones I can't see. The left ones are, for some reason, mounted on the left side instead of the right side. What? Which people decide to do that, man? So not even having properly started on the pros of living here, we're already discussing the cons. There we go. And that is one of the cons. The traffic here, traffic organization, and the laws, and the lights, and all that shit. It's just... I don't even know who plans it all out, because it's so lackluster. All over the place. And I know you guys. A lot of people will be like, if you don't like it, or why don't you leave? Well, how about I stay and complain about the shit that needs to be fixed? You know, instead of pretending that this life here is amazing, how about we praise what's to be praised, where credit is due, and, you know, complain where complaints are due, and finally fix some shit. Getting a little riled up here, right? Alright, let's get back to my point. Life is Chip here, and if you like Chip, smash that like button, man. And subscribe, because that shit's free. It's not even Chip, it's free. What I also like, and, you know, that's low-key bad stuff, but I kinda like that I can, you know, do some nice acceleration and stuff, and the police don't care about it. I still like one of those countries where police is like enforcing every single law, even though if they did that, that would be pretty awesome. But at least they let us bikers have some fun, man. All kinds of fun. Well, my fuel light is on. In the next installment of Rider in Red, watch him fuel his bike like in every other vlog. Serious topic though? If you guys like these videos, I do appreciate if you hit a like and hit that subscribe button as well. This shit I made for you, and I really appreciate the support. You know, I guess another thing that I really like here is the fact that things are pretty close to each other, and by that I mean the distances aren't huge, but at the same... Oh, nice, man. Thank you a lot. See, when Armenians are being nice, it's super nice. Too bad they're not nice too often. Well, like I said, close distances, pretty good. You can get in and out of the downtown in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, with mediocre traffic. Bad thing though is that cars are pretty tight as well, in the distances between them. Oh my, I mean, look at this. This is like... Let me concentrate on this shit. Oh, there we go. This is good and in, just like with my exes. Am I right, good sir? He said I was right. Alright, yeah, no, this video is turning into a lackluster again. I honestly can't say exactly why I live here. It's not like I completely just decided that I'll live here. It's just how it happened, I guess. So while I am having hard times to to explain why I live here, maybe you guys should actually give me your comments on why living in Armenia is pretty cool. I mean, I tried to answer your guys' question on why I live here. There is honestly, it's a mix of I kinda like it here, I kinda don't like it here, but I have to live here because I have my business here, and you know, just like that. It didn't happen out of my complete accord. I wasn't just one day, you know, hanging out and thinking, oh, you know where I want to live? I think I'll move to Armenia. I've always had my foot here, so it just happens that I'm living now here, and maybe tomorrow or next day, you know, I might move out. Not that I want to abandon the city, but to be honest, the traffic here is getting out of control, and all this, I don't know, man. I don't know, I'm losing hope in this country a little. Okay, that monologue was going really well, up until I made a mistake. Alright, let's take a right turn here. You know, I guess my point is, you know what, let me just merge in, and then we'll talk. Is that car trying to... Not today, bitch! Not today! Well, this is gonna get boring real fast, guys. A police car. A police car. I know they don't deal with the traffic, but hey, I don't wanna be pushing them over the line. So talking about losing hope, I was gonna say hate. Because that hate for a lot of things here is getting stronger and stronger. But you know, talking about the hope for this country, I don't know how it goes. I'm sure it's gonna get better at some point, but are we gonna be able to see, witness, and actually enjoy that better, or is it gonna take like 30 years, you know, or 40 or some... Man, taking this turn like a boss. It's always sketch doing that with the cars around you. You never know what they're gonna pull off, right? Well, that's it, guys. I gotta be careful about this. I don't think she had noticed me. Nope, I don't think she had noticed me. Well, that said, you guys, let me know again, what is your good reason to leave here, and what do you hate the most about Armenia? Maybe I should do a video about that. These fucking connecting rods, freaking hate them. Freaking hate them. This was Rider in Red, and I'll see you in the next installment of Rider in Red Rides and Complains. It goes off topic.